I'm sure by now you already know there are a couple of changes and new features on Instagram, especially on the app. Now you're probably wondering, so what happened to the hashtag feature? It's there, it's actually there, but the way it's being handled by the app has completely changed. Right, so now if you're going to be following a hashtag, you will not be following a hashtag per se, you're going to be following a topic. So I think that in this case, they copied Twitter because you could follow topics on Twitter, but not on Instagram before. Let me show you real quick how to follow hashtags on the new Instagram design. Go to search, and then let's say I'm looking to follow the hashtag financial freedom. I will type financial freedom. This is the hashtag, or I could use the search. So I'm going to click here. So usually you have an option here that says follow hashtag. Well, that is not the case anymore. Go right up here. See here where you have the plus sign. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. That's it. You started following this particular hashtag. But it's not called a hashtag anymore. It's called a topic. So you can follow the topic and unfollow the topic. That's it. That's pretty much it. So this is how you basically follow hashtags now. I can do this for any hashtag. I can do this for also sandwich as well because I love sandwiches. Click here, and then I think I'm already following the sandwich hashtag or sandwich topic. So I just unfollowed it, and then I'm going to click on the plus to follow it again. So that's how you follow hashtags or topics on Instagram now. I hope this helps.